of the game. It's a rich thing.
Hello, welcome everybody. Hey, we're at it again. Tell God you're on a bike, on a ride. Just finished work. So, quick blast. Oh, it's been a lovely day. It's supposed to be a nice week as well. That'd be nice. Right, our turn. Not going to say a lot. Just going to chill and relax. I think he's flying me right there. Get out! Ah. Ooh, it's getting darker. Get out. Flies. Oh, I got my new pin lock on, got it for Father's Day yesterday. Good, innit? I got pin lock system back on me, man. So I can go send them having, well, 30 years ago I'm having man sex. It isn't messed up. Good, innit? My son got it me for Father's Day. And I got chocolate. Ooh. So I had half a big bar of chocolate last night. And then, I can't remember, yeah, Cadbury's dairy milk thingy, whatever it is. I got it last night. atmosphere there. Nice and fresh. Right, a bit of music, I think. Yes, a bit of music. I stand up for that one. No, what? Better not. As the van in front of me. Right, music. Well, I think that's about a bit of music, that's it. A bit of jiggy jiggy jiggy. And then with the spike is. It's turning. Look, turn. Not forcing it. Oh, party. What should I do? Should I go out for Mick at work? He's got a Triumph Street Triple 675 and he goes out with his mates, two of his mates, and they've got big bikes, his cousin as well. I think I can keep up with them on the 250 if they don't go ragged. He went nodded to me, didn't he? So, yeah, might go out for a ride and have a laugh. I'll be like this, doing 70, trying to keep up with them. I'll be alright on the corners, the twisties. They'll pull away on the flats. They normally do about 70-mile rides. But that'd be a cool video, wouldn't it? Yes, I might have to think about it. Because me, Billy, no more mates. Why do I come here in third gear? Me, Billy, no mates. That's it, I can say it now. don't go out with anyone for a ride. I've been hunting around for another rider to say hello to, but I can't seem to find one. Wave to him. Well, I'll find somebody. Right, I think that's it now. Get home, I think. It's just after 9 o'clock. Cool. Right, please like, subscribe, hit the links and all that stuff. I'd love to have you on my journey. We've got another 40 subscribers in the last 2 weeks. And we're going to get up there, we're going to get as many as we can. So it'll be cool. And I'll try post a video every day. So yep, please like, subscribe, all that. See you later.